Welcome to the Doctor's Hotel. Yes. This way to the front office, sir. Good day, sir. Welcome to the Doctor's Hotel. Do you have any reservation po?
Yes.
May I have your identification po? Okay, sir. You can wait up the lobby and wait for your butler po. Good day, sir. I am your butler. Is your lobby po? No problem. Okay, sir. Let us see your room. Please follow me. Please wait for the elevator, sir. Okay, sir, we reached the 5th floor. Come with me to your room. So, sir, this is the main hallway, and this is the comfort room for boys and girls. And over there at the right, there's a fire exit. So, in case of emergency, you know where to go. This is your room. You have your key. Come with me, sir. So, here is your deluxe room, sir. So, may I ask where can I put this bag?
Beside me there.
So hello sir, this is your room. So let me tour you. So we have 2 beds, 1 aircon, and 1 TV, 1 mirror. And then you have 1 closet and 1 refrigerator and 1 bathroom. And there is a cold and hot shower and a bathtub. So sir, if you need anything, there's a telephone here. You can dial number 1 for front desk, number 2 for food beverages, and 3 is for housekeeping department. So sir, is there anything you want me to do?
Unpack my bag.
Okay sir. Okay sir. The bag is in good condition. We have 1 t-shirt, 2 underwear, and 3 t-shirts. Do you want me to put this on closet, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir, done. So I am done putting your clothes on the closet, sir. Is there anything else you want?
None.
Okay, sir.